Numbers dance in the air like fireflies. Shapes and angle picking patterns in disguise. Count the stars or measure the skies. Math is magic, it opens your eyes. Add it up, add it up.
Probability that the first train is late is 0.25, right?
Yeah.
So we can either write it here, 0.25, which is a quarter. That's for late. How about not late?
We have to, it has to add up to 1, right, mister?
Very good. You got it.
So
So
75, 0.75.
0.75.
Yeah, 75.
0.75. So you're done with the first train. Second train, they said the probability that the second train is late is what?
0.4.
Very good. So that means what is the probability of it not being late?
It means the probability is 0.6.
Awesome. So you do the same thing here. You do the same thing here. Late, not late. And then you can answer a set of questions once you do this. Once you do this, you're able to answer a set of important questions. So let's see what questions these are. So what questions these are? That's A, we've done A. Now B, what do they want in B? Is to find
B.
probability, right?
Yeah.
So B1, that both trains are late. Find the probability of late, right?
Yeah.
So what is the probability of late?
Mister, I have a question. Do you do addition or multiplication?
You add, you multiply.
Do you multiply? Okay. So goes 0. 0.1.
Correct. Because that is 0.25 multiplied by 0.4 gives you 0.1. You are talking about this probability. Very good. And 2, what is the probability that neither train is late?
It's 0.45.
So it's probability of not, right? Not late. So
Yeah.
how did you get that? You said the probability of not late. So that's 0.75 multiplied by 0.6,
0.6, which equals to 0.45.
0.45 for 75% of 60%. Very good. And lastly, the challenging one. What is the probability that at least one train is on time? That means not late in this case.
So late and not late.
At least one train is on time. The probability of late and not late. How many of these probabilities do we have?
2.
Very good. We have 2 of them. So the ones that, so we're going to multiply and add, right? So we're going to say
Oh.
late, not late. The first one, late, not late. What is it?
Late, not late is 0.15, and then you do that plus 0.15.
Yes, that's good. So you multiply, then add. So 0.15
So 0.345.
So 0.3 plus 0.35, 0.3 plus 0.15 is
45.
Very good. So 0.3.
Mister, what are the odds that right now it's 6:45 and we're talking about 0.45?
Conspiracy theorist. Then I tried to think about it. I think I found a solution. The issue with probability is that sometimes it's all about grammar in English, That's one thing I don't like a lot because, like in mathematics and all of a sudden you have to pay attention to language. So they say it's a probability of at least one train being on time. So at least does not limit it to the second probability. So we know that late, not late is one of the probabilities they're looking for, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's multiply that. 0.25 times 0.6 gives us 0.15, right?
Yes.
Late, not late. And then let's fill this one also. Not late and late, which is similar to that one. So it's 0.75 times 0.4, right? 0.3.
Yeah.
Finally, we have this one, late, late. Not late, not late. Both times not late. So that's the secret. 0.75 times 0.6. That gives us 0.45. So we have completed the tree diagram. Now, they want the probabilities that at least one of these trains is on time. So that means they want this one, late, not late, which is 0.5, right? 0.15, sorry. And then they do want not late, late, which is similar to 0.15. Only the value is different because it's looking at it from another angle, from another train. And finally, not late, not late. At least one car here is not late, right?
Yeah.
So that means you also have to
We're supposed to do all of them, Mister, together.
Yes, so you add all of these. So let's add these. So what do you get when you add these three?
Wait, Mister, wait. 0.3 and then 0.45. 0.9.
Indeed. So it's 0.15 plus 0.3 plus 0.45. So you get 0.9. So it's not a matter of not knowing whether you add or divide. It's actually a matter of understanding what they're looking for. So they're looking for at least one of them not being late. So interesting, right?
Yeah.
Subtract the doubt, multiply dreams, figure it out. Divide the fear, let the answer shout. Math is magic, no need to pout. 2 plus 2 builds a castle so tall. Fractions, slicing pies for us all. X and Y on a graph, hear them call. Math is magic, big or small. It's not a riddle, it's not a game.